So this here, this is our most popular light for large building applications, warehouses, factories, storage units with high ceilings. You usually want to be about 10 feet to 12 feet high minimum. And then these, of course, go up. The sky's the limit. We can map it out with a foot candle calculation and figure out how many of these you would need in your warehouse. Why these are so popular, again, non-prorated warranties. These last the true lifetime. As far as the energy replacement, that's a really big thing as well in shops. These usually replace 400 watts. It'll be a dome. They'll look like those dome lights you'll see in gymnasiums. It's a metal halide light. Usually run 400 watts. This light here is 220 watts, and I would even probably replace that light with maybe our 160 watt. It's a little bit smaller unit than this. And so the energy savings is 50% or over 50%. It's really over the top. Another thing why people really like this type of light is just the instant on and off. Sometimes energy is not a factor. It's more, I need to walk into here, I need to turn on the light, grab something and turn it off. And with those big dome lights, you turn it on, and most of you have probably seen it. They start glowing, they start out blue, and then they get brighter and brighter. And after about 10 to 15 minutes, you're finally at the full brightness. The amount of lumens, actual light you get in the building, is going to be substantially greater with this, and it'll be 50% or more of energy savings.
To learn more on how our technology solutions can help your business, subscribe to our channel and shoot us an email or give us a call.